Today, we are going to be talking about upgrades, updates, and some of the best applications that you can add to Ubuntu Mate. All the commands that I speak about in the video will be in the description down below. You can get all these applications from the Software Center. To find the Software Center, go under System Tools and select Software. In this video, I will show you the commands to get the Software Center, upgrades, and updates for Ubuntu Mate. I'm using Ubuntu Mate Desktop, but you can use GNOME Desktop or KDE Desktop. GNOME Desktop and KDE Desktop will change how Ubuntu functions and looks. As you see here, I have the commands that I need to put in the terminal to upgrade Ubuntu, update it, and install the Software Center. To upgrade, you need to put in sudo apt-get upgrade. To update, you need to put in sudo apt-get update. To install the Software Center, you need to put in sudo apt install gnome-software. Now, I'm going to show you some of the best applications to get on Ubuntu Mate. First up, we have Geary Email Client. A fully featured email client, Geary gets you set up to send and receive mail from popular webmail providers, including Gmail, Yahoo, and Outlook, incredibly quickly through its handy first-run account wizard. Next up, we have Lollipop Music Player. The player works great with the GNOME Shell desktop and has all the essential features you might need. For example, it's easy to add music, browse music, play music, create playlists, and so on. Lollipop allows you to fetch alerts of a song, and it allows you to fetch artist biographies. Next up, we have Chromium. You probably know all you need to know about Chrome. It's capable, well supported, feature-packed, and it works well on Ubuntu Mate. You're able to log into Chrome with your Google accounts to sync bookmarks, extensions, passwords, and even apps between Linux and other devices you use the browser on, such as Windows device or an Android tablet. Next up, we have GIMP. If you're on the hunt for a viable Photoshop alternative, you need to look no further than the GIMP. The GIMP is a powerful open-source image editor freely available for Ubuntu Mate. Like Photoshop, it's a raster graphics editor, and also like Photoshop, it's based heavily around the concept of layers. Next up, we have Kdenlive. Kdenlive is by far and away the best open-source video editing software for Linux distros like Ubuntu Mate. This non-linear video editor offers a solid balance of basic and advanced video editing features, including keying, rotoscoping, keyframe editing, code transitions, and useful export profiles. Next up, we have VLC. VLC will play almost any media format you throw at it, video, audio, or something in between. VLC can access DLNA shares and online streams, and even transcode video from one format to another. Next up, we have Steam. Steam is a great games distribution platform for Ubuntu Mate. Steam holds many games including indie hits and retro favorites through blockbuster titles like Shadow of the Tomb Raider and Dirt 4. When you buy or add a game to Steam, you can access it on any platform. Next up, we have Flameshot. If you want to take screenshots on Ubuntu or Linux Mint and want to annotate them with text, callouts, arrows, and other icons, then Flameshot is a great application to use. Flameshot is full of many different features. All of them are easy to access. Simply select the region of the screen that you want to capture, and some markup, highlights, or obscure some sensitive data. Then hit the Enter key to take the screenshot. Next up, we have Audacity. Audacity is a great software to record your voice and add effects to your voice. For example, you can change the pitch of your voice. Also, when you need to test the quality of your microphone, Audacity is great with testing audio. It is an outstanding multi-track audio editor and recording application. Next up, we have Peak. Peak GIF Recorder is the perfect screen capture tool for short and sharp video clips. Peak provides one feature, and that is providing users with top quality video. You're allowed to change the timer, resolution, and frame rate. Next up is Blender. Blender is an open-source 3D creation suite with support for the whole 3D pipeline. For example, compositing and motion tracking, video editing, simulation, rendering, rigging, and modeling. Blender is used by many modeling professionals. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any topics that you'd like me to talk about in the future, please comment them down below.